This is an early earthquake warning, strong shaking expected. Drop, cover, and hold now. This is an early earthquake warning, strong shaking expected. Drop, cover, and hold now.
Maximum intensity of 7 has occurred in the Scale Archipelago. Areas of 6 upper occurred in Summer Island, Coral Island, Sandy Island, and Grand Island. Areas of 6 lower occurred in Marshall Island, Rohe Island, and Moss Landing. An area of 5 upper occurred in Shelter Cove. An area of 5 lower occurred in Big Lagoon. A tsunami warning has been issued. Please evacuate to higher ground and away from bodies of water, including rivers.